What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're going to be installing the new hood, but first and foremost, I keep saying first and foremost in all my videos. He gonna sit on the ground. Might as well. But I gotta take nephew to a basketball game at the Civic Center, so I'm gonna go pick him up, shoot him over there, and then come back home and then start the process of putting on the new hood. Probably swing by Chris's house later and see if he can help me install the hood pins, because I really don't want to mess it up, man. And I know myself, so hopefully Chris will be able to come through for your boy today and we can get that thing done. The dog say I need to take these every day, but I'd rather ride around in the Chevrolet. I don't want to pray, I don't want to meditate. Like my seat. My seat fire, ain't it? Yeah, boy, low profile. That's how we do it out here in these streets. I try to hold on to everything, sweet memories, but that was yesterday. I try to hold on to everything, sweet memories, but that was yesterday. And just like that, you leave your kid off and see him in 19 years. Memories. Alright, so we back at the cribbo. Now today's video, I'm gonna remove that hood that's already popped up and then install this hood. Man, this hood like complete ass. Complete ass. But we're gonna make it do with what we got, son. Yeah. Alright, so for today's video, we're gonna be removing this hood and then fitting this one on the car. Now, should be pretty simple. Just gotta notch the hood a little bit. I have to cut up this side so I can fit the turbo housing on it, like I said in like many videos. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So now we just remove this hood, put on that hood. I think that's the video. I mean, it's like what, a 2-minute video? Stupid camera shut off because it got overheated temperatures or whatever. But we got the hood on thanks to my little cousin Jay. He came through for you, Benoy. Got it on. Apply some grease here, drop the hood itself, and see exactly where it's hitting on the top of the bonnet. Ooh, I said bonnet. Boy, I'm a Forza builder. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna do that now and see where I gotta cut and get the cutting, and then hopefully we can swing by Chris' place later and get the pins installed too. So knock out 2 birds, 1 stone, baby. What y'all think, son? I mean, I ain't do nothing yet. Just kind of just dropped the hood. But what y'all think? Am I too ricey? Am I too ricey? Am I too ricey? All right, so I applied the grease. I don't know why, but is this all carbon fiber hoods or just mine just broke? But it's, you see, I got that Fat Joe effect. I lean back. See, that was corny. See, that was trying too hard. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my hood doing the lean back. See, that's trash. But let's see where exactly it's hitting, and I guess we're gonna start cutting it up. So I dropped the hood, opened it back, and this is where the grease is hitting the hood. Well, the turbo housing is hitting the hood. So this is where I'm gonna have to cut. I'm probably gonna do what I did to my old hood and just cut a square out, like cut. There's a lot of excess stuff right here. Like that's a lot of stuff. I might probably have to just trim the cut. So I'm gonna cut like a square out of this out, then see where we can go from there. But I know damn well now, when I cut that, I'm definitely gonna need to put the hood pins in, because boy, oh boy, they're gonna fly up doing one pull. Yeah! I mean, it ain't the cleanest cut. Let's see what happens. What's it hitting? Brief intermission. I got my headlight harness so I can run the aux beam bulb, and also got the Marauder slap stickers in today. So dope. Thank you to everyone who placed their order. They're still available. They're limited. I'm gonna be signing them 1 out of I think there's 20 in each or 10 in each. I think there are 10 in each. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's 10 of these and then there's 10 of these. But on with the video. Well, brief update. I pretty much cut up the entire hood, and yeah, it still ain't working. So what I'm gonna do right now is take off the hood and see exactly what's causing it to not close fully. I put a lot of grease here and like nothing is showing me on the hood and on the housing itself that it's hitting something. But it is, because it won't close. I mean, it'll close fully, but like it'll be like this. Like it's bracing against something so it doesn't sit flush. But I'm gonna take off the bumper and see exactly what it's hitting. So as you see, it closes all the way. Well, hopefully you can see it closes, but you see what I mean? Like it's flexing when I press down on something, and I still can't figure out what it's hitting. Like, it makes no sense. I don't know what it could be hitting. I think I'm gonna have to jack it up, then look underneath the car, which I'm about to do. So damn, this is too much. So as you guys can see, I put a lot of grease here to see what's hitting, because it's not the compressor housing at all. Like, it's not the turbo at all. It was hitting the valve cover a lot, so I trimmed away this piece that it was hitting. Now it no longer hits, but I still can't have the hood flush. I have no idea what's causing it not to be flush. Like, no idea. I mean, it doesn't look too, yeah, never mind. That looks horrible. That's a huge gap. But what I'm thinking is when I get the hood pins installed and it locks it down more, it's gonna sit flush like how it's supposed to. And when I flex on this side obviously comes up. So when I have both of the hood pins installed, it should both have a, well, this is already like, this is already like dialed. I just don't get on this side. But I'm thinking once I put the thing in there, it'll get dialed as well. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta do right now is just install the pins. But I mean, I don't know if you guys can't even see, but it's not hitting the turbo housing at all. I have no idea what's causing it not to just sit flush. Well, since I'm at a standstill with this hood, I can't really do anything until I get the hood pins installed. On my way to grandma's crib, gotta run her battery to Advanced Auto Parts to get it charged. I think something's draining her battery or something, but that's what we're doing right now until I get that call, then we can go install those hood pins right there. I'm kind of scared that my hood's gonna fly up. I don't know why, I just feel like it's gonna fly up. I don't know. It's like really thin. Like, if you ever had a carbon fiber hood, it's like, it feels cheaply made. So I hope it doesn't fly up if I do a pull or something, but I ain't gonna be that guy and do a pull without having the hood pins and stuff installed, because, you know, better safe than sorry. Got grandma's battery. Chris texted me telling me to come through, so I'm gonna drop that off in advance and then head over to Chris's shop. My man Los likes my splitter, but I just left it, well, just now leaving Advanced, and the battery's good. So Grammy, if you're watching, which I highly doubt, your battery's fine. I just gotta figure out why you having problems with it, but it's fine. My man Carlos over there with his boosted EG. I made it to the shop. It's Chris, it's Jeremy, V, you know Chris. Feel that shifter, bro.
Oh, you changed the bushings?
I think that's a whole new shift linkage, bro.
Wow.
Now you gotta rip that shit down the block.
Yo, why can't you just put new bushings last time?
It was done.
Hey, it feels like my car.
Bro, it feels like an actual Integra now, bro. You guys having fun? How does it shift, bro?
You don't miss a gear.
I told you.
You're not scared to miss a gear.
Yeah, it's
smooth. I got two gear today.
Oh! How you like it, V?
It's really, you don't miss. You're not scared to miss a gear.
It doesn't do that jerk thing no more, right?
Nah,
yeah, see?
It's a little better.
Yeah.
Let's put these hood pins in. Right.
Who's these blue lights I see? Ernie brought the squad with him. The squad. Jeremy and Chris got it all figured out. I mean, I would walk y'all through the steps, but I have no idea what you do, really. for too long, but them boys doing it. I would be doing it, but I'll be useless. So they pretty much got it. It's almost done. Just chilling with John Cena, Randy over there, and Ryan somewhere being Ryan. But they're pretty much in there. So about literally 3 hours later, the hood pins are in. Shout out to V. Follow V here. Follow Chris here. Jeremy dipped, but follow him here. Dirty eye. Dirt off. After you have a long day of walking, Randy gotta. Bro, don't lie to the people. Now you need gas. You gotta end your day with some groceries, some Guyanese fried rice, some shrimp fried rice. Gas station light is the best light. They in though. You don't even notice it, bro. It look good, bro. Randy finally gave me a compliment. He said I don't like the hood. I'm telling you, the hood when it's painted, it's gonna look amazing. I'm telling you, bro, when it's painted, it's gonna look great. Yo! I put too much damn ghost pepper. Yo! So we see in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Bro, to all my West Indian, Caribbean people, I put that sauce, that special hot sauce y'all make, if you know what I'm talking about, on Randy's mom right there. She cooked. Yeah, bro, I put too much. Damn. Big thank you to Chris, Jeremy, and V for all their help on the install of the Aero Catch pins or the D1 generation pins. All the same crap. And note to all you guys, if you're buying a carbon fiber vented hood, make sure it's not warped. Test fit it on your car. My hood's a little warped. That's why it took like 3 hours top to install the hood pins on the car. I can't even open my damn eyes. But other than that, it was great hanging out with the bros. Shout out to Chris and V and Jeremy. I'll leave all their links down below. Check out Chris' shop. If you need anything airbrushed, powder coat, like the man is a goddamn beast when it comes to painting. So link down to his Instagram below. Oh yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smack that like button for me one time for the one time. If you like either of these designs, then head over to my website and pick up a slap sticker today, Sunday limited edition. I'm pretty sure there's only 10 I got made or 20. I can't remember, but they're all gonna be numbered and marked. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.